Whenever I find a garment that's like not right, like maybe got a hole in it, or I realize I don't like the way it fits me, I'm like, I can sew, I can fix this. And then I put it in this bin and don't think about it for 8 months. Today is the day that we're gonna think about it. It is really embarrassing how long this shirt has been sitting in this bin because this is a very minor fix. I am ripping out the stitches all along the hole that attach the collar to the shirt. And then I'm just going to shimmy the shirt kind of a little bit deeper into the collar to cover up the hole and sew it back in place. I'm ripping out stitches about an inch on either side of the hole, which will make it easier to ease in the fabric without having any puckering. I made this shirt using wool from Fab Scrap. Love the fabric. Hate these dumb little pockets. For this one, all I have to do is use a seam ripper to carefully rip out the stitches that attach each pocket to the shirt. These wraparound pants will definitely be the most time-consuming of the men's I'm doing in this video. They're sewn from the ankle to the knee and then tie at the waist, but the tie has always been really uncomfortable, so I haven't found myself wearing them at all. I've decided to replace the ties with an elastic that runs along the back, and I'll keep the front waistband flat. To do this, I ripped out the stitches along where the front and back pieces meet around the knee. I then trimmed the overlaps, making sure that all my side seam curves match nicely. Then I sewed my side seams, resewed my waistband, and inserted the elastic.